Hi everyone, this week's task is to measure the speed of sound. We're going to continue our investigation into what sound is and how it works. First of all, we looked at what sound is, then we looked at how sound is made, and now your job is to go and measure the speed of sound. For that, you're going to need two smartphones. You're going to have to install an app on each of them and follow the instructions on the page below. Once you've done that, there are some questions to answer, and there's also a pro forma for you to fill out to complete an experiment report. So you can either do that on a sheet of paper and upload a picture, or you can edit the OneNote page, which is below. Any questions, just send a message to your teacher. Thanks very much.